For making chicken Kentony, we need 1 kg chicken, oil, salt, yogurt, red food color, ketchup, charcoal, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, cumin seeds, coriander and cumin powder, star anise, dry kasuri methi, garlic, chillies, ginger, onions, cashew nuts, capsicum and coriander leaves. Now grind ginger, garlic, green chillies, onions and cashew nuts to make a paste. Heat half cup of oil, add cumin seeds and star anise, then add chicken and fry till it changes its color. Add salt to the chicken and keep frying. Till the chicken is getting cooked, fry onions in another pan with 2 tablespoons of oil till it turns pink. Now add the fried onions to the chicken and mix. Then add red food color, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander and cumin powder and keep mixing it. Add the prepared paste and mix. Then add the yogurt to the chicken and keep stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the vessel. Keep mixing the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. Once the chicken is done, add ketchup and dry fenugreek leaves and mix again. Add capsicum and mix for a while. Then cover the lid for 2 minutes. Now switch off the flame. Place the hot charcoal in a small vessel or an aluminium foil in the middle of the chicken gravy and add 1 teaspoon clarified butter or oil over it to give smoky taste to the chicken. Open the lid after 5 minutes and remove the charcoal. Chicken Kentony is now ready to serve. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and serve it with naan and jeera rice.